HSC has been installing cast marble surrounds for over 25 years. Randy started our company in the early 2000s and has been in the industry for over 40 years. Some of the issues we see with competitor products that we don't see with Mincey Marble is finished edges. Mincey Marble finishes all the edges of all of their panels, and a lot of the competition does not. It allows for a seamless installation to be able to use either side for either panel, and it also makes for a much better finished product to have all the edges finished in the factory versus trying to create a finished edge on site. Another issue we see with the competition is their crating is a much more inferior crating system compared to Mincey. And when your crates are not as sturdy, you run into warped or damaged panels. When we compare cultured marble to tile applications, cultured marble is a much faster and easier product to install. We're cutting to fit only 3 pieces that get glued into the bathroom versus hundreds of pieces if you're looking at a smaller version of tile. The application of cultured marble also goes right onto the sheetrock, so there's no pre-treatment that's needed for those walls to go on before our product, which also makes for a quicker and faster install compared to tile. I would say Mincey lead times are the biggest factor to keeping projects on schedule and avoiding delays. Number one, we work really closely with Mincey to coordinate the start of our install when the product delivers on site. That way the product doesn't sit outside for unneeded amounts of time, and we can get that product installed as soon as possible. In the case that we also need replacement product, Mincey's lead times are much shorter than overseas fabricators, which avoids delays in trying to get that project finished. If someone was undecided about choosing Mincey for their project, some things that I would tell them about the Mincey product is that when you're considering it versus a fiberglass or a tile installation, the Mincey marble is going to look better and last longer than what either of those products are. They're easier to clean, it's easier to maintain, and it will outlast what either one of those products do. In addition, during the course of their project, by utilizing Mincey marble, their construction is going to go faster than what using a tile application would.